We have Brett and Jake. Brett and Jake each have an air guitar in their hands right now. They're going to take a turn. They're going to show you their very best air guitar moves. So we decided that who was going first? Brett? All right, take a little step forward right here, buddy. All right, when you hear your music, you start jamming.
Yes!
All right, nice job. Are you ready, Jake? All right, Jake, when you hear your music, you should start.